Happy Monday night. Your girl has been doing good. I have really, I am in a place now, especially after being sick. I am in a very good, positive headspace, heart space, body space. I'm just doing really, really good, and I'm glowing naturally. I haven't had alcohol in months, and I wasn't drinking that much anyway, but it's just something I have just been cleansing myself of so many things to get even more deep with myself on this journey of finding all the parts of me that I lost along the way and loving parts of myself that I thought were lost. And it has been the most incredible experience of my life. It has been challenging, but I love learning, and I love learning about me. I love learning how far I can go and how much I can absorb and push and make it fit into my reality. And I've become obsessed with myself. I've become obsessed with myself. I don't even, not in a cocky way. I just love being with the things that nurture my soul. And it's become obsessive. And I've done another video, I really thought I was hard to love for so long. And I'm obsessed with loving myself. So I am not hard to love. I'm hard to keep up with. That's what it is. Because I want more. I want to learn more. I want to be more absorbed. I want to be more connected. I want to be so much more than surface level about everything. I have questions. I seek. I am a seeker of knowledge and seeker of myself and a seeker of love and nature and all of those things. And that's a lot. That's a lot. But it doesn't feel like a lot. It feels like overjoy. Like I can literally just be and be present and be with myself, and I can see other things and it doesn't affect me. It doesn't change my aura or my energy. I've learned to channel that. I've learned to balance. And I've learned to love myself 100%. It's crazy. And it's never been like this. I've never fully 100% been this in my own skin. I can't remember ever being that way. I remember being a little girl and still having things. So I don't have any memories ever being this fully who I am. And that's freaking amazing. There's that.